Hey everyone, in this video I'll explain AWS in a super simple way, what it is, how it works, and why so many companies use it. So what is AWS? AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. It's a cloud platform by Amazon. It offers computing, storage, databases, and more. So think of AWS as a toolbox of internet services you can rent from Amazon to build apps, store data, and run websites, all in the cloud. And why use AWS? So with AWS, you don't need to buy the physical servers. It's a pay-as-you-go pricing. It scales easily as you grow, and it's secure and reliable. So instead of buying expensive hardware, you can just rent what you need when you need it, and that's what makes AWS so popular. So let's see the cloud versus traditional servers. With the traditional servers, you buy, maintain, and upgrade all by yourself. But with clouds such as AWS, you rent resources on demand. Also with AWS, it is faster to set up and has fewer headaches. So with AWS, launching a website can take minutes instead of weeks. No hardware, no IT staff, just click and go. So how does AWS work? It has global data centers. You rent computing power, storage, etc. All services are accessed via the internet. So AWS runs massive data centers around the world. You just tap into those data centers to run your apps and store your data. Let's see the popular AWS services. We have the EC2, which are the virtual servers. We have S3, the file storage. We have LDS, managed databases. We have the Lambda, a serverless computing service. We have CloudFront, a fast content delivery service. So these are the core services most people start with. You can mix and match them based on your projects. So who are the real world users of AWS? We have Netflix, we have NASA, we have Airbnb, we have BMW, and the startups and developers. So from streaming giant to space agencies, AWS powers them all because it's reliable, scalable, and cost effective. So what are the key benefits of AWS? It's fast to launch, it's easy to scale, it has a global reach, it's cost effective, and has a secure infrastructure. So no matter the size of your project, AWS makes it easy to get started and grow. So how do you get started with AWS? You start, or you can start with AWS free trial. You can try services like EC2 and S3, and also you can follow tutorials and courses. Then also you can learn by doing it practically. So if you're curious, try the free tier. You can test many AWS services without spending a penny. Well, here are final thoughts. AWS is a powerful cloud platform. It is used by beginners to big businesses. You can learn it step by step. So AWS may seem complex at first, but it's really just a toolbox, and you learn to use it each tool one at a time. And that's all we have for you in this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know in the comments what AWS service you'd like me to explain next. Thank you so much for watching.